We were actually at this Publix, but it's another day, so let's try it again. Did they get more? Because this is like popping off the pegs here. Oh, this is really full. This has definitely been restocked. This is so full. Please let me find something cool. Please let me find something cool. I had a feeling they'd probably have a restock. This is Ski Case with the duplicates, so we're really just looking for the red Civic. I hope it's here. That would be sweet. Alright, I always pass by this store, and it's too late to turn, so this time I was prepared, and we're going to check it out. I love Hot Wheels. I love Hot Wheels. Yeah, I don't think there's much here. Bummer. I still love Hot Wheels, though. Tootsie Roll Hummer. Imagine if you actually drove that. Same thing goes for this store. I always want to stop, but it's not smart to turn the wheel that fast. Alright. Wow, there's some cars here. Wonder if this is shipper stuff. No real way to know without seeing exclusives, but I'm not seeing any yet. Yeah, this is all leftovers. Alright, let's go check Walmart. Let's check out this Walmart. Last time I was here, I actually found a case that had been opened. Let's see if they got anything now. Checking out the main lines. E-case. Way less full than last time, but last time was D-case, so... Bronco... Nothing exciting here. Let's keep it moving. Moving parts. Did I say that? Did I just say that? Neon speeders is what I meant. This is the one with the metal bottom, right? Did I get this one yet? I don't know. We'll hold on to this. We'll hold on both of these just because they're cool. And I need to buy something. Matchbox cars. This is the case with the purple 720, which is sick. Oh, and here's that Tesla again. What the heck? Why am I finding that now? I might have to actually go through my collection. And if I have a black Tesla in there, well, guys, that means one thing. I am finally beginning to forget which cars I have. But for things like this, I feel like I got a pretty good memory. So I'm going to say I'm pretty accurate on knowing what cars I have and what cars I don't. I don't know how. I just am. Alright, premiums. What do we got? Ooh, new Boulevards. Let's go. Couple of them. Wait, which one is this one? Yeah, this is the new one. Oh man, that Porsche is sick. Alright, what do we got? Alfa Romeo. That's cool. And this is from the old set, right? The Mazda 323 GTR. Pantera is the Integra here. Oh wow, that's cool. Yo, I might have to get this because I have the Crawler. Okay. FJ. Man, I am late to this. There will not be a Porsche here, I don't think. Lancia Delta Integrale, that is a classic car right there. No. Oh, I gotta start coming to the store more often, guys. I skip this one too much, and every time I show up, they got cool stuff. This is twice now, actually. Alright, let's come back to that in a moment. Here are the pink slips. Haven't seen either of these in quite a while, actually. And then we've been seeing these everywhere. Wow. Alright, okay, so I'm gonna grab... I don't know. Do I really care enough? I have the Crawler. I'm gonna think about that. The Integrale is cool. I'm not gonna lie. That's cool. The Alfa Romeo, I mean, the paint job is cool, but the car is kinda eh. Although... it's got a lucky clover on it. My birthday is St. Patrick's Day, by the way, guys. The only one here is the M5 and the Porsche are missing. So, we're going to have to really look for that. Here is the Fast and Furious Villains cars again. I said I would get this next time I saw it, but $4 for a mainline. Well, Silver series. I'm just not. I'd rather get a premium. Mazda 323 GTR. I don't know. I actually don't even know if I care enough about any of these, to be honest. Integrale's cool, but I'm not like the biggest Integrale fan, if that makes sense. And the FJ, I just don't really like the color. I'm not a yellow type of guy, unfortunately. But it's cool to see some different stuff here. You guys know me, I don't buy everything just because it's here. I would really only actually want the Porsche, so I hope I do find one of those, but I don't know, I'm not seeing them anywhere except for this store, so hopefully I can get a hold of some. And then we have some team transports here. This is the one with the Lambo, but there is no Lambo. I don't know, man. We might be leaving with some neon speeders here. I don't think I have the Hemi Challenger, right? Oh, this is the one with the metal bottom. Yeah, not this guy. We already got this one. Okay, so yeah. I am dropping everything. Oh, well, let's look under there, just in case. So yeah, I think we're probably gonna stick with those. It is cool to see some new boulevards. How about up top? Anything hidden for someone else? I don't know, I'm not tall enough to be able to tell. Ooh, this is cool. Indy car. While we're here, I mean, we might as well look at some of these. I don't look at these very often, but these look like they're new. The Lycan Hypersport. There's a red 911 GT3. I'm seeing a Veneno. What looks to be a Veneno down there, right? Yep, Veneno in silver. This is cool. Green 911 GT3. And then what's this one? Another Veneno. The green one's pretty cool. Those are cool. I don't really have anywhere to put them, so that's why I don't buy them. The 720 is cool too. I think out of all the like larger scale stuff, I like the pink slip stuff the best. I think they always look the most unique. Okay. I always forget when I come to this place. It's a food truck that makes incredible smash burgers, and every time I get them, I always forget to take a video because I eat them too fast. So here it is, Mike's Monday food review on a Sunday. Mushroom smash burger. So good. I love it. All right, we are moving on to a Walmart. All right, I'm not really gonna bother with main lines here because they usually don't get them, and I can tell from far away it's just peg warmer stuff. Moving parts are pretty full. What's this? Lexus GX? I think we've seen that before, right? Yeah, these are really full. Is there anything cool here, though? I don't know. There's that Toyota Century. That one's cool, but we have it. A couple of them up there. And that's it for that. Alright, let's see. Do they got boulevards here? I don't see anything. Why just that one store? I mean, they might get them here, but they're kind of peg warming over here. These Aston Martins, which have been here for months. Dodge Viper. Looks like there's a shiny working rigs right here. International Workstar 7500 dump truck. I've never really even looked at these. Is that a fire truck? Yep. Tactical Command. Trash truck? Or is that like a poop? Street sweeper. Oh, it's a street sweeper. That is not a poop truck. Alright. Off we go. I won't lie, we did find some cool stuff. I'm just not really interested in any of those boulevards, which is why I didn't grab any. I'm hoping that maybe I do find that Porsche, because that would be a really cool find. And I'd be excited to pick one of those up. But we did manage to grab a few cars, one of them being the 70 Dodge Hemi Challenger out of the neon speeders. This is the one with the metal base in pink. It's a really cool looking car, actually. Has a lot of weight to it. And I think pretty much that's it for this series. I think maybe if I ever find the Porsche, we'll grab it. But other than that, I think we've pretty much completed the ones I'd like to buy. Unless I get desperate. It's possible I get desperate. And then we grabbed another one of these Tesla Roadsters in flat black. Mentioned before, I have no idea how I've missed this car so many times, but it's also possible, like I said, that somewhere in there is one that I got a long time ago. That being said, we went ahead and grabbed one. It's so cool. It's so cool.
Test drive in this brand new Roadster.
All right, ready? Head up against the head restraint.
Yes, sir.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Woo!
Lisa's gonna be with me tomorrow, so stay tuned. It's always a good time when she's hanging out with us. And let's finish off with this right here. We finally got the pink slips Porsche 911 Carrera S open, the pink one. This is cool. It's just normal pink. It's not metallic or anything, but The doors open and looks like the hood opens too. Well, the front, I guess you'd say. Yeah, very cool. Literally a pink slip. I've had this for over a year and, well, it was time. Ooh, that is bright. Oh, Lisa's just picking some flowers over here. What do you think?
Beautiful. Look at that hot pink.
I told them you're going to be in tomorrow's video.
Oh, nice. I sure am.
Stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Later.